Hello and welcome back. This is Steve Bucks Coins, and I've designated this particular video Mixed Coin Hunt 3. This is mainly older coins that I found in through various means. The first one that I'm showing you here is an 1881 George III halfpenny. It's very well worn and it has Britannia on the back, and Britannia, compared to a lot of other coins, is facing out towards the left. So Britannia is facing left rather than normal way of seeing her where she's facing right out of the coin. There's no mintage that I could find for this coin. It is very, very well worn. These copper coins, I think these ones were from the Soho Mint, if I remember rightly, and they are, this one has been in circulation and is so well worn it's untrue. The second coin I'm going to show you is a William IV from 1834. It is a halfpenny. You've got the bust of William IV there, and you have the date on the front, and then on the back you have Britannia facing the way that we normally see her, which is facing out towards the right. The mintage for this 1834 coin is 538,000 only. The next coin that I'm bringing in is Queen Victoria, and it's like a bunhead portrait of her. So what it is, a 5-cent coin from 1870. We have a Greek key design around an inner circle which has a portrait of a young Victoria, from a bunhead portrait of Victoria. On the back we have the fact that it's from Ceylon, and in the centre is a palm tree motif. The mintage for this 1870 coin is 7,009,020. This next one has a bit of a hole in the top of it, but although that is not the best thing that you can have on a coin, this is a 1790 George III or George IV. I think it's George III. It may be actually George IV. I think it's George III. 1790. It's a shield. It's not got a mintage for it because it's actually a gaming token with the King's portrait on it. On the back, although you probably can't see it too well in this coin, there is a shield. There is a shield showing you that it is a gaming token. I'm not quite sure which shield it is or whose shield it is. I can't tell you. This is one that was found alongside all these coins in the bag, so I've left it in there for this hunt. This is a modern 10-cent 10-cent coin from the Netherlands from 1975. It shows Queen Juliana on this side, and then on the reverse you just have the crown above a 10, also with the date of 1975. The mintage for this coin is 110 million. The next coin is from 1855, and it's Napoleon III. You have Napoleon III on the front, and then you have on the back, although you can't see it as well as you'd like to, there is an eagle. There is an eagle, a French eagle, plus value. There seems to be a mint mark with the interlinked initials have HB. Now I don't know if that's a mint mark or a die mark, I'm not sure. But the mintage for this year, for this coin, which is a 10 centime, is 7,803,578. The penultimate coin, and it's only a small amount on this particular one because of I put all the old coins together that I found. This one is a George V halfpenny from 1924. It shows the King George V on the front. Then on the back you have Britannia, the value and the year. The mintage for this coin was 13,971,000. And the last one is from 1811. Now the 1811's down the bottom here. It is a halfpenny and it seems to be a gaming token. I might be wrong there, but it doesn't seem to, although it does have a Britannia on the back, there is no indication of how much it is worth. So it's either a gaming token, or it is a token of some description. It doesn't give a value of the gaming token or the token that it is. It doesn't give you a value at all to it. I think it may be a halfpenny, but I could well be wrong. If you know what it is from what you've seen of the coin here, then please let me know in the comments down below. Well, that ends this particular short video for this for mixed coin bag number 2, or is it number 3? Mixed bag coin number 3, I think it is, isn't it? Or is it number 2? Mixed bag number 3. These are all old coins. Hopefully you've enjoyed this and seen these coins. I've enjoyed bringing this video to you, and if you've liked it, please do give me the thumbs up. It doesn't take a minute of your time to do that, and if you haven't yet subscribed, could you please think about doing so? I would love to have you along for the rest of my journey through coins and banknotes, collectibles, militaria that I do on this channel. In the meantime, if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price that you want to pay. I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you will be able to find something that you like in the next week or so. Thank you for watching the video, and from me, until we meet up again, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, ta-da, bye-bye now, ta-da.